here x by 2 minus 1 by 5, that is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, first convert term, variable term to variable term and constant to constant term. X by 3 is positive term transposing left side, that is negative term, and 1 by 5 is negative term transposing right side, convert to positive terms. Okay, therefore x by 2 minus x by 3, that is equal to 1 by 4 positive plus 1 by 5. Okay, that is a variable term with variable term, constant term to constant term. Okay, here both denominator are different, that take LCM, otherwise cross multiplication. 3 into x 3x, cross multiplication 3x, minus 2 into x is 2x, and divide 3 to the 6. Okay, similarly same to same, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 ones are 4, divided by 4 into 5, that is 20. Okay, therefore 3x minus 2x, that is equal to x, divided by 6 as it is, 5 plus 4 9, divided by 20. Okay, and here 6 is in division form, transposing term to right side, that in multiplication form, 6 multiply with 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 multiply 6 divided by 20. 3 to the 6, 10 to the 20. 3 to the 6, 10 to the 20, 2 cut, and therefore remaining number 9 into 3. What is the value of x? 9 into 3 divided by 10, that is 27 by 10. Therefore x is equal to 2.7, and that is the final answer. Okay, in question number 2, second one, question number 2, n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6, that is equal to 21. Here here n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is 21. Here left side term all are variable terms and right side term are constant term. Okay, तो here इसमें हमें क्या अरेंज करने का नहीं है कुछ भी, क्योंकि वेरिएबल टर्म सारी एक साइड है, कांस्टेंट टर्म एक साइड है. Okay, so then we take LCM of the denominator. What is the LCM of 2, 4 and 6? Check. First we find the LCM of 2, 4, 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Again we divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 3, 3 ones are 3. Therefore LCM is 12. तो हर एक के डिनोमिनेटर में डिनोमिनेटर इज 12. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है, डिनोमिनेटर इज 2. ये 2 है तो 2 उसमें से निकाल दो, तो विच नंबर भी मल्टीप्लाई विथ n? 2 3 जा 6 multiply with n, that is 6n. Here denominator is 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 is cancelled, remaining number 3, 3 multiply with 3n, 3 3s are 9n, and here 6, 3 2s are 6 is cancelled, remaining number is 2, 2 multiply with 5, that's plus sign as it is, 5 2s are 10n. Okay, therefore 6n plus 10n, 6n and 10n both are positive terms, then it is addition, 6n plus 10n, 16n minus 9n divided by 12 is equal to 21. Here 12 multiply with 21, and 16n minus 9n, 16 minus 9, that is 7n, is equal to 12 into 21. Okay, and 7 is multiplication form, transposing right side, that is in division, that is in division form. अब 7 कहाँ जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई में से? डिवीजन के फॉर्म में जाएगा 12 into 21 by 7 and 7 3s are 21. What is the value of n? 12 multiply 3. Therefore, n is equal to 36. That is the final answer. Here the question is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3. That is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So first we transposing variable term with variable term and constant term with constant term. Which are variable terms? X minus 8x by 3 and minus 5x by 2 are variable terms and both are constant term. So first minus 5x by 2 transposing left hand side. That sign convert into minus to positive. Here x minus 8x by 3 as it is and minus 5x by 2 transposing right side, that is plus 5x by 2. ये यहां से यहां गया तो माइनस का क्या हो गया प्लस. That is equal to 17 by 6 and plus 7 transposing right side, that is minus 7. Okay, and here left hand side term all are variable terms, right side term all are constant term. First we check, first we take the LCM. Denominator of x is 1. x का डिनोमिनेटर क्या है 1 है, लिखा नहीं पर 1 समझना. और what is the LCM of 3 and 2? That is 6. LCM of 2, 3 and its denominator is 1. That LCM is 6. So what is the LCM of this number? That is 6. तो 1 है तो 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना ही पड़ेगा. 6x. 3 है, which number we multiply 3? That is 6. 2. तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 2 को ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो 2 8 जा 16x और 2 है तो 2 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तब 6 आएगा ना. तो 3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5, इट इज माइनस 5 3 जा 15 है. एंड हियर 6 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 7, 6 का 6, 17 का 7 एंड 6 into 7 that is 42. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया 3 2 जा 6, 6 1 जा 6. इसके डिनोमिनेटर में 1 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 6 आएगा तो 6 है तो 6 को ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन 6x. 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 6 आएगा 2. तो 2 8 जा 16 है और 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 6 आएगा 3. तो 3 5 जा 15x और प्लस की साइन यहाँ पे प्लस. ओके, और 7 into 6 42. 17 minus 42 by 6. बोथ डिनोमिनेटर है सेम. अगर दोनों डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो दोनों को हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. इफ बोथ डिनोमिनेटर आर सेम इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. तो हियर 6x, बोथ आर पॉजिटिव टर्म्स. 15x plus 6x, that is 21x minus 16x and 17 minus 42, that is minus 25. Okay, and 21x minus 16x, that is equal to 5x is equal to negative 25. Here 5 is in multiply of coefficient of x, transposing right side, that is in division form. Minus 25 by 5 and 5 5 are 25. What is the answer of value of x? X is equal to negative 5. Okay, clear? Chalo, fourth number. Question number 4. X minus 5 divided by 3, that is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. Okay, chalo, we take direct way cross multiplication. 5 multiply with x minus 5 in numerator form and 3 multiply with x minus 3. Okay, cross multiplication. Therefore 5 multiply with x minus 5 and 3 multiply with x minus 3. Okay, and next step is distributive property. 5 multiply x, 5 multiply with 5. 3 multiply x, 3 multiply with 3. What is the value of 5 multiply x minus 5? Therefore, पहले 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 5 minus 25. Then next step is 3 into x, 3x, and 3 3s are 9. Clear? समझ में आया? Okay? चलो. Then 3x transposing to right side, variable term to variable term, convert into variable. So 3x transposing right side, that is positive 3x, transposing right side to left side, that is negative sign. 25 negative term transposing right side to left side to right side, that is positive 25 and minus 9. Okay. 5x minus 3x, that is 2x. 25 minus 9, that is 16. And 2 is in multiplication form, transposing right side, that is division form. Therefore, what is the value of x? X is equal to answer 8. That is the final answer. Okay, clear? First variable term minus t transposing to right side. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 minus t transposing right side plus t, that is equal to t by 3. And here denominator is 1. What is the LCM of 1, 3 and 4? First you find the LCM of 3 and 4. Means 1, 3 and 4. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2 1 are 2 and 3, 1, 1. Therefore LCM is 12. Okay. Therefore here LCM of 1, 3 and 4, that is equal to 12. Here 4, 2 2s are 4. Which number we multiply? 3 multiply with 3t minus 2. 3 into bracket 3t minus 2. Minus sign as it is. Denominator is 3. So 2 2s are 4 multiply with 2t plus 3. Minus 4. 2t plus 3. And here 1. So 3 2s are 6 2s are 12. जब डिनोमिनेटर 1 हो तब 12 से एलसीएम से डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करना. Denominator is 1. Then we multiply with 12 to t plus 12 into t. That is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. And simplify this bracket. 3 into apply distributive law. 3 into 3t, 9t minus 3 2 is 6 minus 4 2 is 8t minus plus minus. Remember this. Minus plus minus. 4 3 is 12 plus 12t divided by 12, that is equal to 2 by 3. 9t minus 8t, that is equal to only one time t. And t plus t आएगा 90 plus 8 90 minus 80, that is one time t. One time t positive plus 12t, that is equal to 13 time t. Okay. Otherwise 12t plus 90, that is 21t. 21t minus 8t, that is equal to 13t. Okay, 13t. Minus 6 minus 12, both are same sign. It is addition minus 18. Here 12 denominator convert into multiplication form. 2 multiply with 12 divided by 3. And 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12. Therefore 13t minus 18, that is equal to 2 4s are 8. Minus 18 transposing right side. 13t is equal to 8 plus 18. Therefore 13t is equal to 26. Therefore t is equal to 26 divided by 13. And that value is 13 to the 26. Therefore final answer t is equal to 2. Okay. Final answer t is equal to 2. So question number 6. Question number 6. m minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. First variable term convert to variable term. So minus m minus 2 by 3, that convert into left hand side. M divided by 1 minus m minus 1 by 2, and minus term transposing right side to left side, minus convert to positive m minus 2 by 3 as it is, and that is equal to 1. That all are variable terms. 1 is a constant term. First find the LCM of 1, 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 1, 2 and 3? That is equal to 6. 6 होगा LCM. तो 1 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 6 आएगा. 6, that is equal to 6m. Which number we multiply to? That is 6. That the number multiply by 3. 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 6 आएगा. 3. तो 3 माइनस की साइन माइनस 3 into bracket m minus 1. If more than one term, then convert into bracket. एक से ज्यादा टर्म हो तो ब्रैकेट में लिखना. प्लस का प्लस. Which number we multiply with? That is 6. 2. 2 multiply with m minus 2, and that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Here simplify this bracket, distributive law. 3 into m, 3m, but minus 3. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus. 3 1 3. 3 2 into m, 2m plus 2m. Plus minus minus 2 2s are 4, and 6 multiply with 1. 1 multiply 6. Okay, clear? Then simplify. 6m plus 2m, that is 8m. 6m plus 2m, that is 8m. 8m minus 3m, that is equal to 5m. Plus 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Both are opposite sign, that is subtraction. 3 minus 4, 1. Greater number sign is negative, that is negative. And 6 1 are minus 1 transposing right side, that is equal to 6 plus 1. And 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And 5 is in division form. M is equal to 7 divide 5. That is final answer. Okay, clear? Chalo. Here solve this question. First we apply the distributive law. 3 multiply with t, 3t. 3 3s are 9. 5 multiply 2t, that is 10t, and 5 1s are plus 5. Okay? Here 10t transposing right side to left side. That positive term transposing, the term is negative 10t, and minus 9 transposing right side, minus 9, that convert into plus 9. 3t minus 10t, 3t minus 10t, that is equal to minus 70, because 10 is a greater number and its sign is negative. And 4 plus 5 plus 9, that is equal to 14. Here minus 7 divide transposing to right side, that is in division form. Then 40 is equal to 14 divide minus 7. T is equal to 7 2s are 14, and minus sign convert to numerator form. Here 40 is equal to negative 2. Okay, then final answer T is equal to negative 2. Okay, clear?
सर मैंने 3t को इस साइड लेता हूँ फिर भी सही.
Question number 8. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into bracket y plus 6, that is equal to 0. Okay? How to solve? Apply distributive law. Here first 15 multiply with y and minus 4. 15 multiply y and minus 4, that is 15y minus 15 4 जा 60 minus 60 minus 2 into y minus 2y minus minus plus 2 9 जा 18 again apply distributive law 5 into y 5y 5 into 6 that is 30 is equal to 0 here 15y plus 5y 15y plus 5y that is 20y both are positive term 20y minus 2y that is 18y okay positive 20y minus 2y that is 18y 30 plus 18 that is equal to 48 positive 48 that is positive 48 minus 60 ऐसा लिखते हैं minus 60 plus positive 48 is equal to 0 so both are opposite sign not addition that is a subtraction both are opposite sign that is a subtraction that is minus 12 okay opposite sign that is subtraction that is equal to 0 minus 12 because 60 is a greater number and its sign is negative that is negative 18y is equal to 12 transposing right side that is positive 12 okay and here y is equal to 12 divided by 18 6 2s are and that is 6 3s are 6 6 cut what is the value of y that is equal to 2 divided by 3 and that is final answer of y 3 into bracket 5z minus 7 minus 2 into bracket 9z minus 11 minus 4 into bracket 4z 8z minus 13 that is equal to 4 into bracket 8z minus 13 minus 7 first we simplify this bracket distributive law 3 multiply 5z that is 15z minus 7 3 are 21 again distributive law minus 9 2s are 18z and minus minus plus 22 okay 9 4 into 8z that is 32z minus 13 4s are 52 minus 17 okay 15z minus 18z both are opposite sign that is therefore that is minus 3z my plus 22 minus 21 22 minus 21 that is plus 1 32z minus 52 minus 17 that is both are same sign addition minus 69 okay that is minus 69 minus 32z plus 32z transposing right side to left side it is minus 32z minus 69 1 transposing right side that is minus 1 minus 3z minus 32z that is minus 35z both are same sign that is addition and sign of the greater number is negative minus 69 minus 1 that is minus 70 both side minus minus sign cancel okay minus minus sign cancel 35z is equal to 70 z is equal to 70 divided by 35 then what is the value of z 35 to the 70 okay next question number 10 series question number 10 0.25 multiply 4f minus 3 that is equal to 0.05 multiply 10f minus 9 okay here the number is in decimal form convert into the fraction form 0.25 that is equal to 25 by 100 1 and 2 digit after decimal point Here 2 digit after decimal point, therefore the number 25 by 100. 2 digit के बाद decimal point है 1 और 2, तो नीचे 2 zeros आएंगे. 25 by 100 into bracket 4f minus 3. Similarly 0.05, 1 and 2 digit after decimal point, that is 5 divided by 100. ये सबसे मेन पार्ट है. 10f minus 9. Both denominator are same and both are opposite side. दोनों डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, दोनों ऑपोजिट साइड है, तो दोनों 100 क्या हो जाएंगे, कैंसिल. Therefore 25 into bracket 4f minus 3, 5 into bracket 10f minus 9. Here apply distributive law. 25 into 4, that is 100f, and 25 into 3, that is 75, and 5 into 10, that is 50f, and 5 into 9, that is minus 40. Here 50f transposing right side to left side, that is negative 50, and 75 transposing right side, that is positive 75 minus 45. 100f minus 50f, that is equal to 50f. 75 minus 45, that is 30. Here 50 is in denominator form. F is equal to 30 divided 50, 0 0 cut. Therefore f is equal to 3 divided 5, and that is final answer. Okay, clear? Solve the following equation. Exercise 2.6, question number 1. Solve the following equation. Here 8x minus 3 divided by 3x, that is equal to 2. Here 3x multiplied by 2. Here 3x multiplied with 2. 2 multiply 3x. Here is in denominator form, convert to right side, which is in multiplication form. Therefore 8x minus 3, that is equal to 3 to the 6x. Okay. And here 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. 6x transposing right side to left side, minus 6x, and minus 3 convert to right side, that is plus 3. 8x minus 6x, that is 2x, that is equal to 3, and 2 is in denominator form. X is equal to 3 divided by 2, that is final answer. Okay. Question number 2. 9x divided by 7 minus 6x, that is equal to 1515. Similarly, same to same, 7 minus 6x multiply with 15. Okay. 15, 7 minus 6x. Apply distributive law. 15 multiply with 7 and 15 multiply with 6x. Therefore 9x is equal to 105 minus 15 6 are 90x, and 90x transposing to left side, 9x to minus 90x transposing right left side, that is plus 90x, that is equal to 105. 90x plus 90x, that is 99x, is equal to 105. Therefore x is equal to 105 divided by 99, and that number is 35 multiply 3, and that is 33 multiply 3. 3 cut. Therefore x is equal to 35 divided by 33. Okay. The final answer is 35 by 30. Next question, number 3. Z divided by z plus 15, that is equal to 4 divided by 9. Okay. So how to solve? Here we start cross multiplication. 9 and z multiply with this, and z plus 15 multiply with 4. Therefore 9 multiply with z, that is 9z, and 4 multiply with z plus 50. Okay, so 9 multiply with z, that is 9z. Apply distributive law, 4z plus 15 4 ja 60, and 4z transposing to left side, 9z minus 4z, that is equal to 60. Therefore 9z minus 4z, that is 5z, is equal to 60, and 5 divided by 60, 60 divided by 5, therefore z is equal to 12, and that is final answer. Z is equal to 12.
तो वहाँ पे आपने डेसिमल पॉइंट लिया है 9.9.
Question number 4. 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y, that is minus 2 by 5. How to solve? Solve by cross multiplication. So 5 multiply with 3y plus 4 minus 2 into bracket 2 minus 6y. Minus 2 multiply 2 minus 6y. Okay? Here. Apply distributive law. 5 multiply 3y, that is 15y, and 5 into 4, that is 20. Minus 2 multiply 2 minus 4, and minus minus plus 2 6 are 12y. Okay, here 12y transposing left side, that is minus 12y, minus 12y, and that is equal to minus 4, 20 transposing right side, that is minus 20, minus 20. Okay, therefore 15y minus 12y, that is 3y, minus 4 minus 20, that is minus 24. Okay, and here 3 is in denominator form, therefore y is equal to minus 24 by 3, y is equal to negative 8. Okay, therefore y is equal to negative. See, last question number 5. Here same to same, we cross multiplication. 3 multiply with 7y plus 4, and similarly minus 4 multiply with y plus 2. Okay, so here 3 multiply, apply distributive law, 3 into 7 21y, and 3 into 4, that is 12, minus 4y, minus plus minus 4 to the 8, minus 4y transposing right side to left side, that is positive 4y, and plus 12 transposing right side to left side to right side, that is negative 12. 20y 21y plus 4y, that is 25y, minus 8 minus 12, that is minus 20, minus 20. Therefore y is equal to minus 20 divided by 25. 25 is in division form. 4 5 are 20, 5 5 are 25. Therefore y is equal to minus 4 divided 5. That is final answer. Okay, clear?